We're doing the 5 challenge sheet. I have the instructions on the left and my working sheet on the right. Down the bottom I have to choose 5 challenge. Step 2, select D6. So D is the column there, 6 is the row there. They meet under the word W Rivera. So we click there and type in HLEE. We can now press enter to leave that cell and leave the text there. Step 3, row 14, we have to clear the contents. To select the row, we hover over the number of the row and click. To clear it, we right click with the mouse and choose clear contents. We can also go up to the home tab, and in the editing group we can choose clear contents. Step 4, delete column G. So we select column G by hovering over the G and clicking. We can now right click and choose delete, or we can go up to the cells group and choose delete, and that will delete that column. Step 5, using either cut and paste or drag and drop, move row 18 to row 14. So we've cleared row 14 already. Let's go to row 18, and we can click on the row, then hover on the edge, click and drag to row 14. Now we can also go back to row 18 and just do a standard cut and paste. So we can use the clipboard controls to do that, where we've got a cut and then a paste, or we can right click and do cut and paste, or we can use the keyboard shortcuts. So the keyboard shortcuts to do a cut is Control X. So I'll do that, Control X. I now go up to the 14, hover on that, and to do a paste, a standard paste is Control V. So on the keyboard I'm going to do Control V, and that will paste it in. Step 6, we're looking at the cells from F9 down to F17. So F9 to F17. And we're asked to take the X from above and fill that down. So what we need to do is actually click on the cell above in F8. Hover in the bottom right corner of that cell, and the cursor changes to a little plus. We click and drag down to F17 and let go. And that fills down with that same letter X. Now, step 8, we save. I've got the shortcut icon at the top, that button to click save, or I can go Control S, which is what I'm going to do.